Annoyed by wasting lots of time on defining table styles in Google Docs for every new document? There is a better way. Create a custom style in Google Docs. First, we'll type Heading 1 and style it with another font, size, and color. Select Styles and update Heading 1 to match. So, we're all set, right? Well, here's the frustrating part. When you open a new document and apply that same Heading 1 style, it's back to the default settings. So how do we fix this forever? The permanent fix is back in our first well-formatted document. Go to Styles, then select Options, and click the button Save as my default styles. This will take all styles from your current document and save them internally. Now for the real test. Let's create one more new document. Type Heading 1, select it, and apply the style. And perfect! And that's how you set your styles permanently. If this helped, please subscribe for more.